Soon after Bill Chayaka votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Kaya and sweat ka by my side, yeah, man. Na. Kaya na. Kaya na. Me sit beside the river bank, give Jah thanks, me soul give thanks. Water whisper holy song, peace and healing all around. Me see the stream move slow and wise, mirror the truth inside me eyes. Every ripple, every flow, carry message Jah bestow. Me drop me fears, me wash me pain, Jah river cleanse again. From the mountain top it fall, blessing flow for one and all. Me chant for life, me chant for peace, righteousness never cease. The river teach me how to be calm and full of melody. It show me how the time will heal and how the truth reveal. Yeah, river of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong now. One love, one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. Me see the children play and sing, Jah creation everything. Me feel the breeze, me feel the grace, peace and joy in every place. Me know the river never ends, it flow around every bend. Elders smile and youth rejoice, nature sing in one voice. No fear, no hate, no greed, just Jah fulfilling need. Every soul become the tide, flow together side by side. Me flow with Jah, me never tire. His word me heart's desire. No drought can stop the stream, love forever dream. Yeah, river of Jah flow strong, wash away the wrong. One love, one song, one way, guide me night and day. Flow through the people, flow through the land. Jah water bless every hand. So when the days feel dry and long, remember the river song. It flow within, it flow without. Jah love remove all doubt. Da 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 da.
Na. Peace for the world. Me hear the cry from deep within. Jah call the people to begin. No silence now, no fear. Truth and freedom draw near. Me walk the street with me head high. Jah power never lie. Every sound from drum and bass carry the voice of the human race. Them try for hush, them try for hide, but truth stand by my side. Me chant for justice, me chant for right. Jah light forever bright. Me hear the mothers, hear the youth, all them sing one truth. Me see the fire in the eyes, Jah promise never dies. From the valley to the sea, voice of people set we free. No chain, no wall, no gate can hold back the faith. We hear
voice of the people strong, sing the freedom song.
One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame. Rise up high, lift your voice to the sky. a revolution call. Every soul stand tall. Me chant for peace, me chant for love. Blessings fall from above. Me see the nation start to rise. Hope shining in them eyes. Together strong, together true. Jah work for me and you. Me hear the spirit deep inside. Jah voice me only guide. No more chains, no more pain. Freedom come again. We
Voice of the people strong.
yeah.
Sing the freedom song.
One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame.
Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky.
So let the voice forever ring. Peace and love we bring. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong.
Na na na, Rasta man chant, yeah man. Under the moonlight, calm and still. Jah presence bless the hill. Stars above them shine so clear. Rasta spirit always near. Me sit and reason pon the stone. Never walk this path alone. Me feel the rhythm in a breeze. Jah comfort me with ease. Every sound from near and far guide me where the blessings are. Me chant for hope, me chant for love. Peace descend from above. The fire blaze, the chalice glow. Wisdom flow, me spirit grow. Me see the world in Jah design. Everything aligned, no envy, greed or pride. Just light from deep inside. Me walk with faith, me walk with care. Jah glory everywhere. Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one song. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. One la 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 la, yeah. Me hear the drum beat soft and low. Ancient voices start to show. Me feel the healing deep within. Jah kingdom never dim. Every man and woman true. Jah light shine through you. From the mountain to the sea. Rasta live in harmony. Me chant for unity, me chant for peace. Love and mercy never cease. The night so calm, the heart so pure. Jah love forever sure. Me rise, me pray, me sing. Jah bless in everything. No fear can shake me ground. Love forever song. Rasta moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one song. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. So when the dawn begin to glow, remember Jah wherever you go. One heart, one love, one flame. Forever in Jah name. Forever da 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 da. Jah bless the land and the people, yeah man. Deep within this sacred ground, garden of eternal roots is found. Branches reach, leaves unfold. soft, a breeze of peace. Garden song shall never cease. Fruit of wisdom, fruit of grace. Feed the people, heal the race. Shade of mercy, shade of care. Garden shelter everywhere. Every herb a holy sign. Medicine of Jah divine. Water pure flowing still. Garden grow by Jah will. From the river songs arise. Healing shine before the eyes. Generations plant again. Garden heal the heart of men. No more hunger, no more war. Roots of Zion spread afar. Every vine a sacred line. Carry strength through space and time. Ever living, ever true. Garden of roots renew. Hands together, sow the seed. Garden answer every need. In the evening, in the morn, garden keep the people warm. Every star above agree. Garden stand eternally. Joy and mercy, justice grow. Through the roots, the spirit flow. Everlasting pure design. Garden holy love divine. Grow strong and wide. Roots of love them can't divide. Bloom bright and fair. Garden spirit everywhere. Rise day by day. Garden show the righteous way. Garden eternal holy ground. Song of life in you is found. Roots unbroken, pure and free. Garden of Zion destiny. Forever growing, never fall. Garden of roots, bless us all. Ever living, ever new. Garden of Jah carry you. Roll a spliff with kamikaze kusha man. The wind blows soft on the land. Jah bless the works of every hand. Drumbeat echo through the street. Freedom rhythm move the feet. Me wake up with a chanting on my soul. Freedom call me to the goal. Me see the youth them rise and shine. Truth align, the stars combine. No chain can bind, no tongue can lie. Freedom spirit never die. Every man and woman sing. Jah power make them king. Me hear the elders tell the tale. All love and faith prevail. From the struggles to the glory, every pain become Jah's story. The roots so deep, the sky so wide. Jah dwell on every side. Me chant for unity, me chant for grace. Blessings flow in every place. With heartbeat of freedom strong, carry the people along. One love, one song, one flame. Jah truth remain the same. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. The youth them dancing in the rain. Healing wash away the pain. Me see the joy in every face. Peace are the only race. Every drumbeat, every song, Jah spirit circle round. From Kingston town to Addis Plain, freedom calling again. The fire burn, the heart so pure. Rasta spirit ever sure. Me sing for hope, me sing for love. Blessings fall from up above. Me hold the line, me hold the light. Through the dark, through the fight. No fear, no sorrow, no despair. Jah presence everywhere. With heartbeat of freedom strong, carry the people on. One love, one song, one flame. Jah truth remain the same. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. Rise up, my people, rise. Lift your eyes to the skies. So keep the heartbeat pure and true. Freedom live inside of you. One love forever born, till the righteous all return.
Rasta man, it's so high. A music player man. Hear the pounding in the street. Iron drum beat move the feet. Calling warriors, calling friends. Rhythm rise and Babylon ends. Thunder echo, bassline roll. Iron drum ignite the soul. No more silence, no retreat. People march upon iron beat. Sound wave travel, wall collapse. Iron drum, close all the gaps. Concrete crack beneath the sound. Drum of justice shake the ground. Every corner, every lane. Iron drum erase the chain. Spirit wake, oppression fall. Drum of Zion call them all. Through the fire, through the fight. Iron drum a guiding light.
uplift your man. Lift your eyes to the midnight sky. Stars above the nation testify. Silent witness, shining bright. Guide the people through the night. Not of gold, not of throne, but the heavens we call home. Constellations mark the way. Stars declare a brighter day. Every twinkle tell the tale. Truth of Zion will prevail. Ancient sail across the sea. Stars deliver destiny. Now the people wonder still. Stars align for Jah will. Every journey, every dream. Stars above the nation gleam. Hope reflected, truth revealed. Broken spirit gently healed. Moon and planet shining line. Signal now the holy time. Babylon shadow lose its claim. Stars eternal still remain. From the desert to the shore. Nation rise forevermore. Every twinkle, every light. Promise shine against the night. Sky proclaim what must be done. Stars unite the hearts as one. Message bright in every zone. Heaven write the truth in stone. Drummers beat beneath the glow. Stars inspire them to grow. Every singer lift the song. Stars above keep them strong. Generations gaze above. Stars remind of endless love. Vision pure, never gone. Stars of Zion carry on. Shine, shine, endless flame. Stars exalt Jah holy name. Glow, glow, far and wide. Stars of Zion still guide. Burn, burn, never die. Stars of Zion fill the sky. Stars above the nation bright. Lead the people through the fight. Never fading, never gone. Stars of Zion carry on. Forever burning clear and true. Stars above still guide you. Through the darkness, through the pain. Stars of Zion still remain.
Na high level reggae, yeah, man.
Na 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 na.
Blaze up on the mountain peak. Flames of Zion rise and speak. Not of terror, not of war, but the fire of truth we adore. Vision bright, heart ignite. Every spirit bathed in light. Ancient prophets whisper still. Zion fire reveal Jah will. Echo roll across the plain. Wash away the guilt and pain. Iron chain them melt away. Babylon fortress start decay. No machine, no weapon strong can withstand Jah holy song. Climb the mountain, see the flame. Every tongue declare Jah name. Fear dissolve, courage grow. Zion fire overflow. Stone by stone, wall collapse. Truth replace the wicked trap.
stand in awe. Generations gather near, fire cast away the fear. Bright eternal burning free, Zion flame for you and me. Song of drummers, chant of choir, rise together in the fire. Just keep them long, light up the night, shine so clear. Flames of Zion always near, forever burning, pure and true. Zion fire carry you. No more shadow, no more fear. Flames of Zion always here. Zion fire blazing strong, it burn the wicked, cleanse the soul. Zion fire make we whole. No Babylon can stop the flame. Zion fire call Jah name. Zion fire blaze so bright, shining pure the holy light. Every spark eternal flame. Zion fire exalt Jah name. Zion fire all people seek, forever burning, never cease. Zion fire bring Jah peace. It warm the heart, it light the way. Zion fire every day, forever glowing, pure and white. Zion fire hold it tight. Me see it blazing morning sun. Zion fire never done. Zion fire forever reign, forever burning, strong and true.
song. No Babylon can dim the flame. Zion fire, praise his name. Eternal burning, pure and free. Zion fire, destiny. It blaze the nations, blaze the sea. Zion fire, eternity. When the trumpet sound again, Zion fire still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion fire bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion fire Jah way. Eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion fire Jah song. Blaze high, blaze free. Zion fire eternity. No chain, no wall can quench the flame. Zion fire call Jah name. Zion fire blaze so bright, shining pure, the holy light. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion fire exalt Jah name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion fire still carry on.
Nah, ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Garden blooming Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruits. Zion garden Jah root. No Babylon can spoil the senior man. Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruits. Zion garden, Jah root. No Babylon can spoil the ground. Zion garden all around. Zion garden, lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden, praise His name. Zion garden, praise His name. Zion garden, it feed the children, feed the poor. Zion garden, always more. Forever holy, never gone. Zion garden, shining strong. It heal the weary, lift the low. Zion garden, make it grow. Forever fertile, pure and wide. Zion garden, holy tide. Me plant me seed in morning sun. Zion garden, never done. It bless the harvest, bless the rain. Zion garden, heal the pain. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion garden, carry you. It grow the truth, it grow the song. Zion garden, just strong. It bloom eternal, never fade. Zion garden, Jah made. No Babylon can dry the land. Zion garden by Jah hand. Forever fertile, lush and free. Zion garden, destiny. It grow the earth, it grow the love. Zion garden, gift from above. When the trumpet sound again, Zion garden still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion garden, bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion garden, show Jah way. Eternal harvest, pure and strong. Zion garden, Jah song. Grow high, grow free. Zion garden, eternity. No drought, no war can spoil the soil. Zion garden, bless the toil. Zion garden, lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden, praise His name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion garden, still carry on. Zion garden, still carry on. Zion garden, still carry on. Zion garden,
Nah, nah, nah. Jah bless the people, yeah, man. Me wake with sun on me face. Charlie's ready in secret place. Rootsman heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke, fi run away. Me
smoke fi clear me in a way. Earth provide this plant of peace, a sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Teach the soul and make it learn. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truths, me love fi hear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide the Rasta tribe. Me sit on hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a Rootsman higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, this sacred herb come from Jahan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same. Oh. Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, open chakra. Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex on screen or stage. Me flex with Rootsman ancient rich. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again, again.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion Ragaya man. Me rise up early, sun a kiss me face. Praise to Jah, me start with grace. No nights, just breeze pon the hill. Me cup full, me soul stay still. The fire blaze, me brew me tea. Read from the scrolls, fi set me free. Me plant me foot pon sacred ground. Heartbeat echo like Naya Bingi sound. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Me no follow vanity road. Me build me life by natural code. Me till the soil and plant the seed. Not just herb but spiritual need. Me chant the name of Jah Most High. Him day in the breeze and deep blue sky. Each day a lesson me learn and grow. Rootsman way the only way me know. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path me trod it through. Jah light guide
Zion gone. Me chant and blaze till me days complete. Rootsman rise in a Zion beat. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Rootsman rise in a morning dew. Heart stay clean and purpose new.
Na 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 Zion, yeah man. Song of Zion rise so sweet. Heaven melody complete. It fill the air, it fill the sky. Zion song will never die. It heal the soul, it lift the heart. Zion song Jah heart. No Babylon can drown the sound. Zion song all around. Zion song pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse eternal flame. Zion song exalt your name. It guide the children, guide the meek. Zion song all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion song keep it strong. It flow through valley, flow through sea. Zion song eternity. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion song Jah light. Me hear it in the morning breeze. Zion song across the seas. It chant the truth, it sing the word. Zion song always heard. Forever holy, never fall. Zion song for all. It bless the nation, bless the child. Zion song meek and mild. It rise eternal, never end. Zion song Jah friend. No Babylon can stop the flow. Zion song always show. Forever holy, strong and free. Zion song destiny. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion song Jahan. When the trumpet sound again, Zion song still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion song bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion song show Jah way. Eternal singing bright and long. Zion song Jah song. Sing high, sing free. Zion song eternity. No chain, no wall can bind the word. Zion song always heard. Zion song pure and true. Holy chorus for me and you. Every verse eternal flame. Zion song exalt your name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion song still carry on.
Reggae upside them, man.
Gold so pure yet spirit made, crown of Zion never fade. Rest upon the righteous head, guide the living, bless the dead. No vanity, no earthly pride, crown of Zion burn inside. It shine with love, it shine with flame, every jewel a holy name. Crown of Zion bright and true, bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away, crown of Jah forever stay. It come from root of David's line, crown eternal, crown divine. It mark the child of righteous ways, keep the faithful all them days. No hand can steal, no tongue can mock, crown of Zion firm as rock. Glory fall like morning dew, crown of Jah forever new. It shine upon the prophets old, it tell the story love has told. It guide the people through the flame, keep them steady, call Jah name. Every star in heaven bright, crown of Zion share the light. From dawn of time to kingdom come, crown of love for everyone. Me see the crown in vision clear, it says stand firm, don't live in fear. It bless the poor, it heal the weak, crown of Zion hear them speak. It teach the heart to live in peace, it make the war and anger cease. Upon the brow of truth it rest, crown of Zion ever blessed. When the trumpet start to blow, crown of Zion start to show. It shine the way, it light the road, it lift the weary, ease the load. Forever stand, forever reign, crown of Jah remove the pain. Glory burn like holy fire, crown of Zion never tire. Shine bright, shine strong, crown of Zion all life long. No gold of man, no earthly fame, crown of Jah forever same. Crown of Zion bright and true, bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away, crown of Jah forever stay. From first breath till judgment day, crown of Zion light the way.
Na na na, chamba with coconut, yeah man. Early morning, me still rest on hills. Me light up the fire, me soul it fills. The chalice pass round like sacred rite. Me eyes closed tight, me spirit take flight. Me no smoke for hype, me smoke for ear. Jah whisper truth right in a me ear. Each draw a prayer, each puff a chant. Me reason deep in ganja plant. Me sit pon rock under mango tree. Me hear the ancestors talk to me. Me breathe in love, exhale me pain. Me mind now float like healing rain. Welcome to the ganja temple, where the smoke rise up so gentle. Meditation deep like drum. Rasta heart, here I come. Sacred flame and sacred herb. Me chant me psalms, me soul disturb. No stress, no war, no fight. Just higher reasoning in the night. Me roll me spliff with reverence. It teach me patience, teach me sense. No rush, no haste, no greed. Just balance roots and what me need. Me see me life in clearer way. Me give thanks more every day. Me see me brethren as myself. Me value vibes more than wealth. The herb reveal me inner sight. Me dreams become me guiding light. And in a silence me overstand. Jah never leave, Jah hold me hand. Welcome to the Ganja temple, where the rhythm slow and mental. Drum and bass them chant along, each note a healing holy song. Sacred herb, me heart align. It bridge the space between flesh and divine. No Babylon inside this space, only love and Jah grace. The night come down like velvet shawl. Me sit in circle, me brethren call. We reason deep till morning light. We burn the herb, we seek insight. The stars align, my mind expand. Me walk through Zion in a sand. No church roof can hold this vibe. The sky above, me real tribe. Me chant me name, me chant me fate. Me no worry, me no wait. In ganja smoke, me vision born. Me rise again each blessed morn. Me no need palace or gold ring. Me find me truth in simple thing. A little fire, ganja leaf, a reasoning full of soul relief. Me on a herb feel what it do. It bring me close to what is true. No pills, no doctors feel me mind. Just natural smoke and Jah design. Me share me weed, me share me light. Me share me joy in the night. And when me leave this earthly shell, me spirit rise, me soul rebel. Me soul rebel. Ganja temple, sacred ground. Me soul it rise with every sound. Me chant, me blaze, me elevate. Me link with Jah, me resonate. So build a fire, pass it round. Let peace and unity be found. This ritual, me daily bread. Me burn the herb, me soul be fed.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion is the reggae king, yeah, man.